Have you been wondering how to put text behind you in a video? In this super easy Canva tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly that. First, we'll add some text on our canvas and add in our video. For this example, I'm just using a ballerina video I found on Pexels, and we're going to make her dance in front of the text. Make sure to stretch your video to the entire size of your canvas and check that the time of your text and video are the same. And because our video is very dark, I'm going to change the color of our text so it's more visible. When you're happy with how your text looks, it's time for the next step. We're going to duplicate our video and drag it all the way up in our video settings so that the second video layer is above our text layer. And then we will remove the background from the top video. Now, it may take a while to render and for the Canva background remover to work its magic, so I'll fast forward a bit. And once you see that it's cropped, we can see our ballerina or whatever front object you are using should now be clear and placed in front of the text. Make sure that the time and the frame of both of your videos match so that there won't be any alignment issues. The top video should cover the bottom one perfectly. In the preview, you most likely won't be seeing the perfect result because it's rendering very slowly. But once you save your video and download it as MP4, you will see a perfect result. Now, if you wanted to add a bit more dimension, you could play around with having some text in front and some behind our subject. So let me ungroup my text and I will move some words on the top layer. So as you can see now, the word front is in front of everything. Then the ballerina is dancing and there we still have some text behind her, creating lots of dimension and visual interest. Do keep in mind that Canva background remover works best when your videos are contrasted and very high quality, so the subject is visibly standing out from the background. But you'll see in these examples that it's very good at detecting your main subject. I hope this was helpful, but if you have any questions, drop them down in the comments. I'm always happy to help. And if we haven't met yet, hi, I'm Anna, brand and web designer behind Studio Bressi, and on this channel I share a lot of Canva and Squarespace tutorials, so if you have any requests, I'm always happy to hear them. Have fun creating!